In this demo, we'll show you how to create multiple browser profiles for managing different accounts. After logging in, you'll land in your workspace. This is your central hub, where you create profiles, run automation, and manage your projects. You can also invite team members and assign access to specific profiles. Before using profiles, you need to install the Multilogin agent. Click here to begin. Click here to connect your Multilogin agent to the browser. Once connected, you'll see a notification confirming it's working properly. You can also check the icon in your system tray. Let's create a new browser profile for your Google account. For simple tasks, one-click setup with a quick profile creation is enough. For advanced use, you can fully customize the profile to stay undetected. Add a clear name for your profile. Enable pre-made cookies to simulate browser history and reduce the risk of triggering Google's security checks. Use tags and notes to describe the account's purpose or connection, especially helpful when managing many accounts. Click here to access advanced profile settings. You can customize the operating system, browser engine, and choose between local or cloud storage. If your workflow requires it, you can also adjust WebRTC behavior to match real user conditions. Once you're ready, click Create to save your Google profile. You can repeat this process to create as many profiles as you need, one for each Google account. Now let's launch the profile and open the Mimic browser window. A new isolated browser session opens, fully masked and ready to go. Now you can create a new Google account or log into an existing one inside this secure profile. Complete the Google sign-up flow just as you would in a regular browser. Your Google account is now tied to this unique browser profile, reducing risks of bans or fingerprint links. You can now use this Google account to log into other platforms, like Instagram, Reddit, or Pinterest, all within the same isolated browser profile. Discover more tips and advanced features on our website and YouTube channel to start running multiple accounts today.